Okay, guys, so welcome back after the breakout room activity. So we spent a good time finding out the answers here. So we were just, discussing the answers, and now we resume our recording. So here we go. Let's compare the answer here. So you see here, our in units break-even point is 12,000, and in number of dollars it is 360,000, right? I also gave you the alternative solution so you can use whatever you want. The contribution margin, this is the main point here that was, so if you want to find out the break-even point, so you see it is exactly equal to the fixed cost, because the definition of contribution margin is after covering fixed cost, whatever left goes to net operating income. But if nothing goes to net operating income, your CM is equal to your fixed cost, so that would be our break-even point. The third one is that you need to find out the target profit. You solve it with target profit. How many units you need to sell? 17,000. So here we have given the proof that it is a 90,000 if you sell 17,000 units. The fourth one is you need to find out the margin of safety. So here we go. Margin of safety is equal to total sales minus break-even sales, and safety in percentage divided by number of total sales. The last one is the CM ratio is 60%, and you need to find out how much increase in the margin. Simply, expected total sales would be 300,000 and present total sales would be 270,000. So that would be our increase in the contribution margin, right, guys? Or you can use simply new sale, incremental sale multiplied by CM ratio. Whatever left after covering fixed costs. So we see in this example, we already covered the fixed cost. So whatever left, the CM directly goes to our net operating income, right? So we would be having our assignment 3, and I would be uploading on both platform, the Blackboard and our WeChat group as well. So remember the due date would be our next class. That would be, I think, on 3rd of November, right? Yes.
Yeah.
And regarding our midterm exam is going to be on 10th of November. We would be covering one more chapter, which is a very small chapter, which is variable costing. So that is also related to this CVP analysis. So I would be covering, including that one in our midterm as well. So we will be, talking about the benefits or a new way of making decisions based on variable costing. Okay, so we would be covering that one in our next class as well, and I would be including that one in our midterm as well. So please make arrangements so that you don't have any urgent work or very important work to do on our 10th of November. Okay, guys? And
Okay, sir.
in our next class, we will be having our assignment 3 as well. Okay? Any question? If we don't have any question, then we are going to end our discussion here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, class.
Thank you.
Thank you. Until then,
Hope you get well.
see you next week, and thank you for my.
Okay, bye. Have a good night.
Okay, good. Bye-bye.